Hello guys, so today was day 4 of the 30-day challenge that I have taken for myself. And before I start with the video, I have one important notice for you all. I am looking for someone with a good communication and I am going to hire that person for doing something for me. I'll tell you the description about that whole thing later in this video, but let's start this video right now. So today was a very busy day because sale has been started on Amazon and Flipkart, and because of that I was pretty busy with my office work because the brand that I am working with, I had to maintain its visibility on the top because that is a category leader brand in that segment. So I was quite busy the whole day because of that. After that, there were a few things on my to-do list that I was supposed to do, and I started working upon those things. So the client that I had a conversation yesterday and we finalized on all the terms, that client asked me to review the agreement again and make certain changes. So after doing that, we have finalized everything, terms and condition, our documents have been shared, and starting from tomorrow I have got a calendar invite from the client in which the client will introduce me through his portfolio of products, and after that I'll be taking a deep insight of all the things that are wrong in his account, and I'll be able to suggest him better things and things he should do to improve and grow his account in the future. So that's about that client. There was another client that I have talked about in the past video. I have been trying to reach out to that client, but he told me that he's traveling, and because of that I was not able to still get a payment confirmation on that particular client. So telling about my next strategy, or you can say my next plan for the remaining amount that is left for the 30 days. So I have scraped around 800 900 emails that are going to be very useful for me, and that is where that particular jobs comes into place. Because what I am trying to do, like I told in the earlier video also, I am trying to sell this data, and to sell this data there are certain things that I'll have to do. Before selling this data, I got an idea today that I can sell this data according to the size of the supplier. For an example, the data that I have scraped, it is of suppliers that are already selling on e-commerce channels like Amazon, Flipkart, Meesho, and channels like that. So what I am going to do going forward, I will be sharing the emails of these particular sellers to e-commerce agencies, and for that, to maintain a proper pricing strategy, what I have done, I have sorted these sellers according to the their GMV, I can say, because that would give me fair pricing for the seller which has a low GMV and for a seller that has a high GMV. Apart from that, how I got this data, how I scraped it, how I arranged it, if you want me to tell all of that, you can certainly comment down and I'll certainly tell you that part as well. I have already prepared a list of e-commerce agencies in my area to which I have to contact. I was supposed to contact them today, but I was very busy. I got no time to do that. But my goal for tomorrow is to connect with them and have a conversation about this particular data that I have, how this data can give benefit to them, and how I have organized this particular data. So I'll be doing that and sharing it with you as well. Apart from that, the job opportunity that I told in the very beginning is for people who are having very good communication skill. If I give you a brief about that particular job, it is more like I need someone who can do this calling part on behalf of me, at the same time who can talk to agencies, who can talk to suppliers on behalf of me. I'll be paying a certain amount of money to that particular person to do that, but before that I'll take you through my whole script. I'll take you through the set of whole questions that the client can ask, and I'll also give you some information just so that you are not blank when someone asks you a question from the front. So that's about it. If there's anything that you want me to tell you or help you with, you can certainly comment down and I'll let you know about it. That was it about today. It was not a very productive day because I was not able to work upon a lot of things. My whole day, I would say 6 to 7 hours, got occupied with my job hours, and apart from that I was not left with a lot of things. I also had one more important meeting to attend, because of which my day was completely booked and I was not able to work a lot. So let's hope that tomorrow I'll be able to give better time, and coming weekend I have some bigger plans, so I'll be sharing that with you too as well. So have a great day. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.